Hey everybody, let's talk about how to report suspicious listing on TripAdvisor. You can report a suspicious listing directly through the TripAdvisor mobile app by using the built-in editing tool or by contacting their content integrity team. So one of the methods is to use the improve this listing tool. Open the TripAdvisor app and then search for and open the suspicious listing and then scroll down until you see the improve this listing link. Now tap it and select the reason for reporting, and then provide specific details in the description box to explain why the listing is fake or a scam, and then submit. Now the second method is to use the in-app help center. Just go to your account at the bottom right corner and then tap support. Once you tap support, go to the help center and then go to search bar and search for your help topic. You can simply type here report a business. Once you type it and then search for it, fill out the form, paste the URL link of the suspicious listing, and outline your fraud concerns. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.